Hi friends, it's time for our Read Aloud. Today for our Read Aloud, we are going to read a book called Insect Quest, Hide and Seek. And this book is a non-fiction book. And a non-fiction book means that it's about something real, something that actually happened. And it means that it's not a story that someone made up, it's about real things. Okay, so in this book, we are going to look for insects that are hiding in the pictures and learn about them. This book is written by Clarissa Martinez and Aaron Seagraves. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Insect Quest, Hide and Seek. Insects have interesting ways of hiding from danger. Their bodies, colors, and markings help them camouflage or blend into their surroundings to hide in plain sight. See this butterfly? What color is he? Yeah, he's white and black, but see how this flower is white and he kind of blends in with the paper? Do you think you can find the insects that are hiding? Join these children in their insect quest and find out. Okay, so here's the first one. There is something different about that leaf. Do you see it too? Do you see what's different about this leaf? Look closely. It's a Luna moth. Oh my gosh, it looks just like a leaf. Luna moths are some of the largest moths in North America. Adults are over 4 inches wide because they're nocturnal. That means they are active at nighttime. Luna moths are sometimes called moon moths. The word luna means moon in Spanish. The wings are green to help the moth hide in the leaves of trees. And just like butterflies, Luna moths start out as caterpillars. All right, let's look at the next one. That's a funny looking branch on that tree. Do you think that's a branch? Take a closer look. What do you see? What do you see? What do you think that is? Let's find out. I spy a walking stick. A walking stick is a type of insect whose color and body shape make it look like a stick on a tree. You might spy young walking sticks during the day when they are active, but adult walking sticks are nocturnal. Their eyes are sensitive to sunlight. An interesting fact is the walking stick is one of the world's largest insects. Look, it looks like it's about almost 7 inches, 6.5, 7 inches long. Wow, and it does look just like a branch, and it says that its body is bumpy and hard, just like a branch or a twig. All right, let's look at the next one. Is there something crawling on top of this yellow flower? It's hard to see. What could it be? What do you think that is? Crawling on top of the yellow flower. Do you see it? Let's find out. It's a honeybee. Good. In a honeybee colony, there are many different jobs. The queen bee lays eggs, nurse bees feed the bee larvae, the baby bees that look like worms, worker bees build the honeycomb, there it is, and drones fertilize the eggs. They all work together to help the colony grow. An interesting fact is honeybees use honeycombs to lay their eggs. That's where they lay their eggs. And did you know bees are responsible for pollinating flowers and plants so that they can grow? Look at them. All right, ready for the next one? What's that resting over there on those leaves? Oh my gosh, do you see that? I see eyes and legs. What could it be? Let's find out. Now I see that it's a grasshopper. Grasshoppers love to eat plants, which means they can sometimes be pests in farms and gardens. When grasshoppers join together, they can eat an entire field of plants, ruining the hard work of the farmers and the gardeners. A grasshopper's green color helps it hide among the leaves and grass. An interesting fact is grasshoppers are good jumpers, so good in fact they can jump up to 20 times their own body length. Wow, that's super high, 20 times their body length. Imagine if you could jump that far. Wow, look at them hopping. Looks like their back legs are springing them up. All right, here's the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play hide and seek with a butterfly. Can you see it? Do you see a butterfly in this picture? I don't know, let's see. There it is. It's a Leafwing Butterfly. Leafwing butterflies are masters of disguise. When they fly, you can easily see their bright red and orange colors, but when they rest, their wings go up and their camouflage makes them blend right in with the falling leaves. Wow, that really does look like a leaf. Leafwing butterflies are difficult to spot because they typically live on trees, on branches, or even on the ground. It's easy to see how the leafwing butterfly is so good at hiding. Look at the similarities between this one autumn leaf and a leafwing butterfly. Look at this, how similar that looks. Can you see that? This is the butterfly and this is the leaf. Wow. That is really good camouflage that butterfly has. Very cool. Okay, so take a closer look. There in the grass is something silent and still. What do you see? Take a closer look. Do you see it? Let's find out what that is. I see a praying mantis. Praying mantises' colors and bodies help them blend into green leaves. They can turn their heads almost all the way around to see behind them. Oh my goodness, could you imagine if you could turn your head around to see behind you? This helps praying mantises look around to find something tasty to eat. How far can you turn your head? An interesting fact is 2 Chinese martial arts have movements and strategies based on those of the praying mantis. When praying mantises feel threatened by a predator, they stand up and spread their 4 legs to appear bigger. Wow. Look at the beautiful flowers, but is there something more? Do you see it too? Let's look closer. Do you see something more in those flowers? An insect in there? Let's find out. It looks like a ladybug. Not all ladybugs are red. Many are yellow or orange. These bright colors help them blend into flowers, but their colors and black spots also help to protect them by sending a message to predators: stay away. I am dangerous and don't taste good. An interesting fact is when a ladybug flies, its wings beat 85 times every second. Wow, that's a lot. Ladybugs are most active when their body temperature is 75 degrees or warmer. So they like warm temperatures. So today we found insects that use camouflage to hide from predators. Can you remember their names? Do you remember what this one was called? This one was called a Luna moth. Good. How about this one? Do you remember this one? It's bright red with spots. This is called a ladybug. Very good. How about this one? Do you remember this one? Looks like a leaf. It's called a leafwing butterfly. Great job. How about this one? Do you remember what this one is? If you said praying mantis, you're right. A praying mantis. How about this one? He hops really high. It's a grasshopper. Good. How about this one? Makes honey, pollinates flowers. It's a honeybee. Very good. And how about this one? Looks like a twig. It's called a walking stick. Awesome job, friends. I hope you enjoyed our non-fiction insect quest book. We'll see you soon. Bye.